and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to share with you guys my iced coffee recipe / how I make Starbucks from home. And you guys are waking up with me this morning because I literally just woke up 30 minutes ago, and I did do my hair and put some makeup on because I didn't want to scare y'all like that. So respect. But before we get started with today's video, if you like this video, don't forget to leave it a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below to join the Kim J fam because I'd be glad to have you a part of it. And don't forget to hit that ding dong bell so you never miss a thing on the channel. Let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so this is the cup that I'm going to be using today to make my coffee. I am going to be using my reusable Starbucks venti cold cup, and this is just what it looks like. Starbucks, you know, straw, cup, everything. You can pick these up on Amazon. You can also go in your select locations and actually pick one up if you want. I don't know anything about that, but I got mine from Amazon, and I'll leave it in a link in the description so you can go and buy if you want one, or if you've been wanting one, because I know a lot of people have been searching for these and they can't find them anywhere significant to actually pick them up. But Amazon, I got mine. It came perfect. The one that I got mine from is actually highly rated, so I'm only gonna recommend the best to y'all. So this is what I usually use to make my iced coffee, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I do. I'm gonna be using some Folgers instant coffee today to do this, but I'm also gonna be using coffee creamer and almond milk. So let's get right into it. So guys, these are all my ingredients right here when I'm making my coffee. So I'm using instant coffee, so I usually boil hot water on the stove instead of putting hot water in the microwave. It's just more hot and it makes my coffee blend better. And I just got this coffee mug right here. It says I really need a day between Saturday and Sunday, which today is currently Sunday when I'm filming this video, which is super duper awesome. Okay, but I boil water on the stove, and I like to put it into a coffee mug because, you know, it keeps it hot and, you know, and everything. And today I'm going to be using my Folgers Classic Roast Coffee. You can pick these up at Walmart, and these are just $1 for 7. So I pick up quite a few packs when I go shopping. So we're going to use 1.5 of these, okay? That's what we're going to be using. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I just pour one inside there. You just go ahead and put your coffee grounds all up in there. Like this. Who loves Tabitha Brown? Comment if you love her, because she is amazing. Alright, I usually put 1.5, so I'm about to get the half one and put it in as well. Okay, now we're adding in the half, so we're going to add about a half of this one. That's about a half of it. So after I add in the 1.5 instant coffees, I go ahead and just give this a really good stir. So after I stir the coffee up in my mug, the first thing I like to do is go ahead and add in my silk almond milk. I cannot drink cow milk because cow milk just, it isn't good for me. So I switched to almond milk, and it's healthier for you and it's better for you. So that's the milk that I use in my coffee. Now at this point, add in my almond milk before my coffee first. So I use silk almond milk, the vanilla flavor, and I shake this up very, very well before I put it into the cup. So then you're just going to go ahead and you're going to pour it to about that second line. Oh, I actually went over, but that's fine. I add it up to that line, and then after that, I go ahead and add my coffee into the cup. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to go ahead and add our coffee into the cup. I hope I can film and do this without making a mess. So let's just... Oh, no, I made a mess. Okay. And this is what it looks like. It looks super good, guys. I just made a huge mess. This is a very Kimberly thing in the morning, so. Okay, guys, so after I do this, I just go ahead and I give it a stir. Just a small, tiny, stir. I don't stir it completely up. Then after this, I go ahead and add in my Starbucks caramel macchiato creamer. I love this creamer. I actually talked about it on Snapchat, and I think I posted it on Instagram too, on my Instagram story. But this is a really, really bomb creamer. My go-to actual Starbucks order is a grande caramel macchiato with almond milk, or a venti caramel macchiato with almond milk. So this is pretty much my Starbucks order in a way, to the best as I can possibly make it. So I shake this up a little bit. And then I go ahead and pop that cap off. And I pour some into my coffee. Just like that. That is so satisfying. Then I just give it a stir. And then I'll like taste it to make sure it tastes as like I added enough creamer. It needs a little bit more. Just a tad more creamer. Just a tad. Alright, then I go ahead and mix the remaining creamer up that I added in, if I have to add any more. Then I like to go ahead and just pop my cap onto my cup and make sure that it's tight and secure. And then I sometimes like to just do this little like shaky thing right here. I don't know, it just does something sometimes. And then guys, that is just my iced coffee. And it's good. And it's giving me life right now, so. I want them to like try to like make actual Starbucks barista drinks. I've seen lots of YouTubers do that, so maybe that'll be a very interesting video. Comment down below if you want to see me actually try to be a Starbucks barista, because that would be so freaking funny. So comment down below because I actually really want to do that. So guys, this is my iced coffee. This is pretty much what I do. It's very simple. It's not a lot. I sometimes do use my Keurig, use a K-Cup, but you know, some mornings I just use instant because sometimes it's just easier and it's just better. So guys, that was my iced coffee recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually enjoyed making this video. So comment down below your Starbucks order or your favorite coffee drink from Starbucks. Are you an actual coffee person? Do you order like passion fruit teas? Like, what's your drink when you go to Starbucks? Yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave it a big old thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below to join the Kim J fam because I would be glad to have you a part of it. And don't forget to hit that ding dong bell so you never miss a thing on the channel. And don't forget to be happier because a happier you is a better version of you. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Bye.